muthangna bag coba ongkota habu bagara hani busano muthangna bag coba ongkota habu bagara
lupu chongai da lamate hi mui manthe nari na phaiga lupu chongai da lamate hi mui manthe nari na phaiga
chini hano tui chung thungjaka
bumhani buthani bumul kumakha
chini hano tui chung thungjaka
bumhani buthani bumul kumakha
bagara se hano ti manai gini ti pangbai yoma mansina bagara se hano ti manai gini ti pangbai yoma mansina hani basano muthangna bag
जिस दिन हमने एक संग एक आवाज में अपने दफा अपने तिपरा समाज के लिए बात किया उस दिन ये दफा ये समाज आगे बढ़ेगा ये हाँ में अपना ही शासन होगा चीनी हाँ चीनी शासन सबका
Welcome to Greater Tripuraland News. My name is Fancy Chakma. So today is the 14th of October, and today on behalf of the Tripura Motha for the demand of the Greater Tripura land for the Tripurasas, there is a historical mass gathering which is going on in Khumlung right now. So to support that, we will be welcoming our chief guest who is the CM of Meghalaya along with other cabinet ministers. We can see a lot of planning going on right now on these occasions. So right now we will be heading inside in order to ask some of the leaders some questions on this occasion. So let's get inside.
तो दफा आगे बढ़ेगा खर्चा बढ़ेगा खर्चा अंगी
hani tongphangni irimanayau hatani borono kichona naika